Hello everyone and welcome to the video. My name's Eric, I'm the multimedia producer here at Autoblog, and today we are going to be talking about the new Rocket League update, the big free-to-play update. We're going to be talking about how to sign in to Rocket League with your Epic Games account, and more importantly, how to merge your accounts. So say you play on Xbox and PlayStation and PC. Previously, there was no way to get your cool, wheels and cool decals and things from one account to your other account if you play on different platforms. Now there's a way to do that. We're going to be talking about the easiest way to do that, and let's just get right into it. The easiest way to do that, in my opinion, is actually not via your console. So the first time you boot up the game after you've installed the new update, it might prompt you to either sign in or create an Epic Games account. Obviously, you're going to need an Epic Games account to do this. So if you don't have one, you're going to have to create one. Now, you can do this through your console. It'll work fine. If you know your Epic Games account, you can just sign in. It's very simple. But what I would recommend, I think it's actually much easier to do it through your phone or just hopping on your laptop or desktop and going over to the Epic Games website and doing it that way. So I am actually going to show you how to do just that right now. Okay, so here we are at epicgames.com. Pretty straightforward website. You see the sign in button at the upper right hand corner. So I already have an Epic Games account that I know I want to use. If you don't, you can still do the same process. You're just going to have to create one from scratch. But I know which one I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. Now, you see it gives you all of these options for how you can sign into your Epic Games account. You can sign in with Epic Games, sign in with Google, Xbox Live, PlayStation Network, Nintendo. In my opinion, this is needlessly confusing and pretty dumb. So I would say sign in with Epic Games. Trust me. We'll add the other stuff later, and I'll show you how. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Epic Games. Okay, so I put in my login credentials. I'm just going to go ahead and log in now. Okay, so I am logged in. You can see my username, Skyway Traffic, up in the upper right-hand corner. You should see whatever you chose for your username up here as well. Now, the important part, how to link your accounts and specifically your Rocket League accounts. So go up to your username here. Don't click. You can if you want, but it's easier to just hover over. This menu pops up. Go to account. All right, so as you can see on the left here, what you want to do is you want to go to connections right here. So go ahead and click on connections. You see it gives you a few options, apps and accounts. I currently don't have any apps connected to my Epic Games username, but we go over to accounts and you can see here's where you connect all your accounts. So currently I have my Xbox account connected and I have my Nintendo Switch account connected. I'm going to go ahead and connect my Steam account right now just to show you guys how easy it is. Okay, so what this screen is this is telling you that you are already logged into your Epic Games account, and what you're doing is you're connecting another account to your Epic Games account. In this case, I'm connecting my Steam account to my Epic Games account. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now by clicking Link Account. Brings up this pop-up. If you don't see this pop-up, you might have an ad blocker or something. Check that. It's probably a really good chance that your ad blocker is catching it. So go ahead and turn off any ad blockers for this site. You can do it even temporarily if you want to. It doesn't have to be forever, but generally that's the issue if you don't see pop-ups like this. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into my Steam account here. So here we go. So I have Steam Guard set up. So I'm actually going to receive an email. This is just kind of, you know how when you guys sometimes will get a text message with a little code. This is that same type of thing for Steam, because I don't want anybody hacking my stuff, and you guys shouldn't either. So you should consider using things like this. Okay, so I got my access code. I submitted it. So you see success, proceed to Steam. Click that. Scroll down here. This is basically just confirming that you want to allow your Epic Games account to use your Steam account. So go ahead. It says incorrect login, but that's a lie. I think that was because I messed it up one time off camera. So as you can see, I'm not sure why it felt the need to edit the word Steam in my username Skyway Steam, but sure. As you can see, we're connected now. So we've got my Xbox account, my Nintendo Switch account, and my Steam account all connected to my Epic Games account. So in theory, that should mean that I should be able to access some of my best stuff on my Steam account and my Nintendo Switch account from my primary account, which is my Xbox account. Your primary account is going to be just whatever you play Rocket League the most on. That's not an important thing here. I just happen to play Rocket League on Xbox most. So that's where I have all my coolest stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook up the Nintendo Switch and see if we can't access some of my cool Xbox stuff on the Switch. Okay, so we have opened Rocket League on the Nintendo Switch. As you can see, it's giving me the same prompt it did on Xbox. Do you want to add your Nintendo Switch Online friends automatically? I do not, again, really think about it before you just press add, because this can get really messy. And if you have all your friends organized in different ways on different friends lists, this will mess it all up. So I'm going to hit not now. Gonna go ahead and agree to the license agreement. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the friends list. You see I'm signed in on the upper right hand corner where it says, it's very, very tiny. It's the little Epic Games symbol. And then you can see Skyway Traffic. That's my Epic Games account on there. It splits your friends between your online friends on the platform, which in this case is a Nintendo Switch, and your Epic friends as well. So that's pretty handy. And also a reason why I personally don't want to add all of your platform friends to your Epic friends. So here's the moment of truth. Let's see if I have all of my stuff from Xbox. As you can see in the lower left hand corner here, I've only played up to level 29 on the Nintendo Switch, as opposed to, I think I'm like level 800 something or 900 something on the Xbox. So way more on the Xbox. I don't have hardly anything on Nintendo Switch. It'll be very obvious to see if it all transferred over. And I can already tell that it did. This is perfect. So you see all of my painted cars here. So we can do the nice titanium white Octane ZSR. Whoa! As you can see, the Nintendo Switch might not. It can barely handle, it looks like, all of the stuff that is coming over from the Xbox. But here you can see it's all here. So here's the big one. So all of my stuff is being shared now between my Xbox account, my Nintendo Switch account, and my Steam account when it comes to Rocket League specifically, that is. So that's how you do it. It's super easy. It's a really, really nice change. You can definitely appreciate how important it is to a lot of people to be able to use their stuff that they unlocked on a different platform. Like in my case, I played for a very long time on Xbox, and I'm transferring over to PC now. So if you're like me and you want to get your stuff that you unlocked, this is how to do it. This is how to sign in with your Epic Games account. If you thought this video was helpful, go ahead and like it, please. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And of course, click the bell to be notified when we release new videos. We don't always release videos on video game content. In fact, it's a very small part of our channel. But we have all kinds of videos on car reviews, truck reviews, really everything automotive. We are Autoblog after all. So if you're interested in that, definitely make sure to subscribe. If you're interested in more gaming stuff like this, check out our live streams. It's twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday, from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock Eastern Time. And that should do it for this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope it was helpful. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments. We'll try to answer them, and we'll see you in the next video.